We live in single house. Their names is Deep Gobot, Paul and Maria. Kaya nga. But one day, they noticed Bruce on the corner, alone and looking sad.
Maraming sa atin. Pinisin niyo ba?
There's something wrong.
Video.
White phobias? So secretly, they are close.
Mga video lang yan.
There's something funny. It's nothing red, but what is wrong?
Just go through that and probably have. Yeah, I see. We will understand. But how can we do it? You do that. Don't want us to do it.
Grandpa, don't worry. Yes, both of you are right. I have a problem. I think I'm in love. What? What's the problem? In love?
Yes.
Sobrang parang
Regardless of that. Don't a boy?
No, I'm not gay.
ni Brian.
My problem is that I'm in love with a girl. I know she
Labas mo yan.
will never like me. I'm really confused.
Ano ba yan? Wala pa yung inaantay natin eh. Dapat si Raymark. Si Raymark si Terry Honor eh. Yan na, may bansag ka ng Terry Honor. Adja.
Then who's partner at Elise and Maria's love?
Terry Honor.
In the younger years, people say,
Terry Honor ang
and I'm in love.
You!
I do that in for example,
Jep, Jep. 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 Jep.
You suck.
You sucks. Kain na.
Yes, you're a loser. Oh.
It hurts. It hurts. It hurts.
why you always cause terror?
In college, Paul decided to keep studying color.
I don't want to study anymore. I hate myself.
Oh, don't say that.
Mom! Mom!
Don't say that. You're not that, no? I think you need to relax. Have fun. Go.
Mom!
What do you think?
Hindi ko ma-focus yung camera.
Forget Baguio. Just stay.
No, you will go to Baguio. I'll pack up your things and you will go tomorrow.
Mom!
Paul was forced to go to Baguio.
Stereo
even
na,
though he
stereo
didn't
na.
want to. On his first day,
Si Barbie. Ay! Ay! Malandi ka! Pangit mo! Ang tsaka mo! Terry Honor. Terry Honor. RJ.
he suddenly saw a beautiful sun. And all of a sudden, he saw a beautiful young woman.
At tibay lang sigmura mo, Jeff. Ay! Mapapanood pa naman ni Marjorie to.
Sorry!
Cherry! Cherry!
Don't worry, I'm a good person. I'm not hurt.
Higher, higher.
Higher!
Don't worry.
Adiri ka, Raymart. Pinandidirihan na kita.
Pwede likod na lang.
Dancing! Dancing! Kulang mo. Ay, mali.
Ay, hindi lang po eh.
Harap naman dyan, oh.
Marap ka naman.
Harap naman, oh.
He suddenly remembered Maria.
Ayos ah. Hindi pa ah.
Dala ka pa yung tao, ah.
He remembered Maria.
Hindi ka siya si Jeff eh.
So Paul was determined to prove to anyone else in the world that Maria deserved it. He pursued his studies and after 4 years, he finally went back to battle for Maria.
Ate mo naman.
Sino ba si Maria? Siya?
Yata.
Si Mariang Palad.
Ay, nakasira.
Kadiri. Ano ba yan, Jay?
Hubad!
Pang-asal na!
Hubad!
Ang pangit mo. Nakakasuka ka.
May pang-blackmail na tayo.
Kay pang YouTube.
May pang-YouTube na kami, mother.